Oh, David's taking it all in. We're gonna have to. Oh, they're off. Oh, he's actually moving the pontoon. So I guess what we'll get is get David to take it off until we're outside, at least. Yeah? Well, no, wait until David can take it outside. Well, yeah, obviously, but that's the best way, isn't it? And then PG won't be under so much pressure.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
No.
Quite good fun to do a kayak, wouldn't it? Not with something.
I was going to say something before you started, but it's okay. Oh, it's really nice and sunny now. It's been overcast all day and now it's not.
I assume they're going to go past the jetty and then turn around and come back. Well, it depends. Which direction are we heading? Down there, I suppose.
It depends, doesn't it?
I think we're heading down there. I think that's why he went there. Oh no, we're going to hit.
Thank you very much. Cheers, buddy.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Did David have a go? You've had a test, have you? You recording?
What?
You recording?
I am recording, so yeah. Oh, he's getting off.
Why is Bobby getting off?
He wants to get the.
Oh.
Okay, in 5 minutes' time, we meet at Swingbridge. And he's going to meet us there for the first time. On the way back, we have to do it ourselves.
Oh my
Oh,
god!
another swing bridge. Another
It's
lock.
not Swingbridge, no, it's
Oh,
Swingbridge.
an actual swim bridge.
No, we can't rock by it by ourselves. There's no way we can trust the
No, will that empty the entire canal?
Yeah. Can you imagine
Did you record it?
Oh, he's getting all the weeds out. No. Oh, yeah, it's going up really quick. I think it's quite.
You can see the level it's up there.
Yeah, I know, but it's look how quick it's going. It's going.
David, put you down. Come on now. Well, you can see that they've been getting the weeds out.
Yeah, it looks like they have to do it all the time. Every time they open and close the lock. Oh, it's almost ready now, isn't it?
Good.
That's pretty damn quick. I imagine it was going to take like 20 minutes or something. It literally took no more than, well, once it started gushing in, less than 5 minutes, wasn't it? It was about 3 minutes.
This is called tire lock, apparently. Yeah.
Right. Captain gets given instructions.
Captain Tomlin.
Captain Tomlin. Does he go, aye aye Captain, off you go.
Why are you wearing that hat like that?
It doesn't fit, I told you.
Too much hair.
Party hat.
Is this chap coming to bring us way back?
He's over there,
He's alright, he's just sitting over there.
He's waiting for it to completely settle and then he's going to open, I guess. Still
Can't
coming.
open until all the water's...
Well, the thing is, it's
Yeah.
still coming in just as fast. It's just
Pretty close though.
it's coming in underneath the water now, so you don't see it. You can still see it going up pretty fast, but it's coming in underneath.
Yeah, but it's almost stopped.
It's almost stopped, but it's still that, yeah.
Right,
We're
it's
up,
stopped.
we're
now.
up. Oh yeah.
Oh, the gates are open.
Thank
Oh,
you
okay.
very much.
You got to walk the
If you
long way
insist.
around.
Unless he's going to launch himself over that.
Yeah, I thought.
Right.
God. Well, that's why this is quite good just in itself, isn't it?
Yeah,
You
we'll
just
go
go
back now,
straight back
shall
now. Well, it seems to be an entertainment for the locals as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, how bad he's driving.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. Why, have I got to tell you it stops?
Stop smashing water, tell me.
Okay.
On a big 5-6 minutes down the canal, swing bridge.
Yeah.
I'll demo how we do that.
Yeah.
That's the only other obstruction you've got, so you're free to go.
Okay.
The
Oh.
narrowboat's on its way back, so in a couple of minutes you're going to meet the narrowboat.
Oh,
So
keep
it's
the right.
centre.
oh yes.
Oh, God.
Pressure at all, David.
Okay, there's only 3 people on, so
That's
no
fine.
real pressure.
Okay.
Alright?
Right. Thanks very much.
Excellent.
Just
That's
keep
true.
going to- you go through
There
the
you
bridge,
go, David, yeah.
Where you go, David?
Gear forward a bit more, mate. Clear. You go. Good click, that's the one.
Yeah.
Well done. Then once you're happy with the straight line, just pick the revs just a little bit and you'll sit there nice and comfortable. Looking good, mate.
And we're away.
Oh, well done, David.
Hang on, that other thing yet.
What about now?
As I
Good
said,
now?
it's one of those things where once you got some speed, then the rudder actually works.
Woo, 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 woo. Oh, yeah. Hello.
Hello. Oh, some
Oh,
of that bloke.
David, mind
Honey,
that.
honey, honey.
Oh my God.
I'm a bit worried about this narrowboat, I have to say.
Oh, we can always go into reverse.
Yeah, and revert. Yeah, but Stephen, if I go into first, I'm going to swing my ass around.
It's so pretty, isn't it?
Well, if it's
Lovely up here.
if I
How long
notice
have you got?
if I notice anything,
Well, as long as we like,
I'll
really.
give you a call.
No, I've already
As your,
checked, so we can stay
first officer.
until 6:30. But I mean, that is a long time. So it's just as long as we like, really.
Klingons on the starboard bow. Sorry.
Bow.
Bow.
This is fast and good, isn't it?
What? As fast as it will. That's fully on, is it?
No, this is fast as it can be. Apparently walking pace. Apparently the speed
Oh, I
is
Do you want
see.
to sit on your cushion?
4 miles an hour.
That's the bit where initially they probably
You'd
need
slip
a
off it,
bigger
I'm afraid.
rudder.
That's it. That's a bit better. More comfy. God, it's really nice weather, isn't it?
Yeah, you wouldn't want it to be anything worse than this, would you? When I say
Well,
worse, I mean you wouldn't want it to be like
Hotter.
colder
Oh.
or hotter. Yeah.
Perfect then.
Did you watch him when he showed me how to turn around?
Yes, Tim.
Oh, we can
We
do
won't have to do
360.
that for a long time, hopefully.
Oh my goodness me.
Right.
Okay, the narrowboat's here.
What?
Yeah, it's coming.
Yeah, it is,
Just
yeah.
keep as
Why don't you just stay here?
Keep us
No,
keep
hi.
as close to this
I'm just
corner.
gonna go right.
Keep us
Keep
close
to
to
the
this
right,
corner.
by the way.
Yeah.
Just keep us close.
See?
Yeah, I've got it. I've just waved to them to say I found them.
That's Stephen, that's what we could have gone on.
Yeah, but we couldn't have. Yeah, but we wouldn't be able to drive that.
Well, apparently a little bit we could, but not like this.
Oh, this is quite fun, isn't it?
Summer sun.
Not for David though. He's got our lives in his hands.
See, frankly, we thought about going on this. We thought about going on this.
Yeah.
Oh, look, this is dreamy.
But then we
Thank
thought
you.
you'd want to drive it, so...
Oh, right.
Afternoon. Hello.
It's got a skipper.
It's got a skipper. Yeah, it's motor.
Speed here.
Oh yeah, I'd go left of that. Yeah.
He seems to be doing it with
bit of breed, yeah.
Good job, David.
Thank God that boat's gone past. I was really worried about that. I thought it was one of those things with the bloody horses.
Presumably, it's got to come back down.
Well, it depends if someone's booked it, I guess.
Where does it moor?
Oh my God, there's people in canoes.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, but they're staying to the wrong side.
They give way to you, can't they? It's swans you need to worry about, I think.
Swans? Oh,
Yeah, well,
God.
they can attack
There's
us,
so
can't
many
they?
different hazards on the canal.
Yeah.
People, boats, animals.
So it shows a lovely day for it.
I know, it's really nice, isn't it?
It's warm and it's dry.
Oh, so they're over on the.
They're on the wrong side.
They're on the
Yes,
wrong
that's
side.
very important.
Which is fine as long as there's nothing
We've got
else.
some canoeists.
Well, yeah, but they're on the wrong
Or
side.
kayakers.
Well, I think, you know. Sorry, mate, it's the law.
Oh, David.
It's just swimming then.
Oh, wow. I think you should run them down. You know,
Yes.
they're in the wrong.
Down. Yeah, don't do that.
Maybe they could put this steering.
Yeah, it's still spitting out.
Thanks, honey. Honey, go back to your seat, please.
This is an emergency, is it? Everybody needs to go back to your seats.
Oh, this person's fishing. Is that a problem?
Is he fishing? Oh, here. Oh, my God. Canoes and fishermen. Because they quite often have a line. That's why they've kept over to this side.
Hi.
Sorry.
Oh, right, we've got things
I
to
wonder,
handle.
that's why they were over. Oh, yeah.
First
I
time.
went on
Sorry.
Bessie said was fishing
Got
good.
anything?
Good.
What's
Well, we probably have
Sorry.
Is that
Is there another fishing over there? Did he warn you about the
No, I
fishermen?
didn't say anything about fishermen.
Because that's quite important. Because you know you can't necessarily see the line, can you?
He's there. He
Is there
can see
one?
me. He'll see me.
Well, I don't know. I'm looking.
No, I don't think so.
There is, yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's a couple actually.
Oh, God.
Because
yeah,
you
that
can't
was
hit him. They're all
hard.
hidden in the reeds. Oh, yeah, he's hidden in the reeds.
I guess it's okay just to go through, is it?
Oh, it's a bridge.
Well, I can't see
Oh,
his.
yes, there's
He doesn't-
It's a swing. What's it called? A swing bridge.
Oh, he's got.
So Ryan is going to meet us.
See,
at
they've
the
got-
swing bridge. But on the way back, we have
Thank
to
you.
go south. So we got to
Alright,
watch and
probably-
listen.
How to do it.
Probably
Exactly, otherwise we're
cursing
going
us,
to
isn't
stuck.
it? Bastards.
That idiot.
Bloody
Can I ask a
loon.
question?
Yes, darling.
Obviously, like when we're out of danger, can we go a bit faster?
Well, he said walking pace.
Yeah, and anyway, we can't actually see the fishermen. They're hidden until we're almost on top of
To be
them.
honest,
I
honey,
think-
I don't think we appreciate how difficult this is to steer. But yeah, we can go a bit.
Maybe I'll have a go at
Thanks.
it. It might be like when I was shooting the gun and I was like nailing it. Everyone was like,
Shooting the gun. You were getting dead centre every time, were you?
that's right. That's
Oh.
it. Get your hat back on, boy.
Put it on.
Yeah. Oh, there we are. It does fit. The hat does fit on his head. See?
I get sunburned.
I tell you, he reminds me of something. He reminds me of. I know what he reminds you of.
Popeye?
Like, no,
Big-
you
like big
remind-
muscle, Steve,
You
is that what
remind
you're
me.
trying to
You remind me
Thanks,
of
Stephen, for that.
that captain in that. What was the
Captain Pugwash?
U-boat? The U-boat film.
Dunno.
U50.
No, the
Was it you?
well, the original one that was black and white.
The
You know?
U-boat film?
I
What
don't
was
know.
the film
I don't
about the
know.
U-boat?
The
Das
German
Boot. That's the
U-boat.
German film. Das Boot.
That's big.
Yeah, he looked
Yeah.
just like the U-boat captain.
Oh, right. Great.
Because he had a bit, you know, all they all didn't shave, did they? In
So-
the submarine, so they were all.
Just so you know, we can moor up. We have mooring lines. We can moor up only on that side,
on that side.
which is the canal path side. Yeah, we can't moor up on this side because there's no path. Steve.
Oh right.
By the way, we have some cokes if anyone wants a drink.
I'll take this. Hang on. Alright.
So what do we do up at the swing bridge then?
Well,
We have to wait?
Well, at the moment, we're going to park it. We're going to go to neutral.
On the
he
left
says.
side
The right hand
or the
side.
port? Oh, the starboard
Starboard
side.
side. So everything, he said, all boats go just off of starboard, so just off the right. So just off the centre.
Did you tell him you used to steal the boats?
Obviously not. No.
Oh, you,
Ah.
That'd be really embarrassing. if I
well,
said-
because you would, yeah, and then you really, because you must have
Three of you
done
have
small
quite a lot
boat
of
training. 'Cause I didn't remember doing
experience
small
with
boat
different
training,
types of boats.
which was quite
You've
fun
all
in
been
in
on
the
boats?
Solent.
No.
In the small boat. It was quite good fun. We all had to go and drive in, you know, the rescue boat. Well, you know,
Oh,
the
yeah,
lifeboats.
the lifeboat.
Yeah.
Which is
Which
probably
was
similar size to
quite
this.
No, it's
Bigger?
actually a lot bigger. It's
Oh.
about sort of 30 seats.
Ew.
Is that the swing bridge?
Yes, Bob.
doesn't look like it swings.
Dunno.
Which
Doesn't
way-
look like it
where
needs
does it
doing.
swing?
Well, he said in 5 minutes, and
Yeah, well, that would be it. That's about, yeah. Anyway, you'd probably
it's not
see
a
him
swing
there.
bridge there, is it?
Does he walk down or drive down, do you think?
Driving. Well, presumably, at the speed that I'm going, he'll be bloody crawling.
Yeah, well,
Do you go a bit faster?
Well, presumably,
so.
what does he have to do at the swing bridge?
dunno.
he's going to swing it so he can get through. But I don't think that's a swing bridge.
Well, presumably, yeah, but we can get through. We can, whatever that is, we can get straight through it, can't we? Must be something that we go over, isn't it? Or a bridge? Is it an aqueduct rather than
What
a?
is this called?
What, this boat?
A bridge.
Oh, I don't know if this is it.
Can't be it.
The
Well, it
swing
looks-
bridge.
It might be.
It doesn't look like a swing bridge, but
Yeah, but I don't know exactly what we're.
Super is like that one where Dudley wedded him.
yes, yes.
There's nowhere to park up there anyway.
That's not.
We're technically in Bridgwater now,
Oh, we can take
so obviously Bridgwater does get a bit of a
your
bad.
pets for
Well, that's yes. That's
Yeah, that's
true.
right. You'd have to arrest
That's
David
true.
if he started, you know,
That-
drinking
this
being
is
a
why he was
maniac.
He was telling me they have to have
What
a
if I
lot
just let it loose, Stephen?
Yeah, right. It
Trying
just
to steal
started.
the boats.
Right, do we think that's a swing bridge? We don't, do we?
No.
I don't think it swings.
Hang
No.
on,
Did
my
you
Unless
check
it
the time
swing-
we left?
Unless
No.
it's
Which means work out how long it is back from that thing.
Right.
we've been gone at least 10 minutes.
Not more than that.
Well, from the lock.
Right. What time? So it looks
I reckon
like
we'd be
we've
gone-
at 4. So say we went at 4. That's about 12 minutes ago.
Yeah, that's about right. That's we're leaving the lock.
So. Woo!
Oh,
Yeah, that
he's
was a
getting
bit too aggressive for
he's
me.
getting confident.
Oh,
just as you arrive at some brick walls, you
I
end
know,
up
start revving
revving
it.
it up. Actually, that's probably the safest thing to do because the steering will be better.
Move pretty quickly.
Well, you get more control of the
It's like
steering.
you've got these little buoy things on the side. It'll just bounce straight off.
This is a beautiful order, actually, isn't it?
It doesn't look like.
That's brand new. That is well new. You know, new.
I think it has been rebuilt up, hasn't it?
Well, there's nothing down there for 100 yards. David's
Good. No traffic.
opening up.
No stress.
I'm a bit worried like the canoe.
There isn't any
Well,
canoeing.
actually, I think the biggest problem is
That's
fishermen,
it,
isn't it?
David.
Fishermen, you
Put your
can't
foot
see
down, my
until
boy.
literally the last minute.
Eyes on the road.
Eyes on us. Jim, you having a nice time?
Do you feel safe?
With David.
Yeah.
Just watch the road. Once you've got to
Whoa,
Yeah.
let's get a place where it's nice and
straight.
Well, you know how to control it, do you? You can sort of maybe.
Stephen, you and I will ride up the back in a
You
minute.
can probably, yeah, you can be behind, then you can.
Oh, okay. Well, next to.
No, I mean David can be behind driver, then he can
Oh, okay.
be ready to get. Right. Oh, there's no bridge up there.
I did say 5 minutes, but I was going quite slow.
Yeah.
I thought he said it is walking pace. This is more than walking
It
pace.
is, isn't it?
Well, this is, yeah, this is definitely walking,
No.
more than walking pace. This is running pace. This is at least 7-8 minute miles.
He said 4 miles per hour.
That's walking pace.
So, Granddaddy, how was the Hungry Horse?
Well, I think,
Did you all go?
yes, you all
Oh,
will.
lovely.
I think Vicky liked it, didn't she?
I bet she did.
Well, I think it was I was quite happy
did
with
say-
what I had.
They're very small help.
Well, they're not really, are they? I mean, obviously it's not.
Is that what she said?
Yeah, but
That's
it's
so
not. Yeah, but
funny.
it was three courses though.
You're quite right, Granddaddy. She does like a big helper.
Not like
I mean,
fisherman's cock.
She's got a small person.
Well, yes, indeed. She's well practiced.
She will like them.
So,
Now we're coming to something else.
what did you have
Well, this is-
for lunch then? What did you have?
What did we have? Can't remember now.
Well, you and Vicky had the pate.
Pate.
I had the
That's
tomato
festival,
soup.
We all had it.
I had tomato soup.
Lovely,
had
lovely.
tomato soup.
And somebody and I had the one.
Fish and chips?
Scampi.
Scampi? Scampi.
Yeah, and Vicky had salad instead of peas.
Peas, yep,
and
standard.
You had mashed potato instead of chips.
Lovely.
And you had peas.
We all
Excellent.
had chocolate ice cream.
Oh,
a mixture.
lovely, lovely.
2 vanilla and 1 chocolate.
Oh my god. So how much did you pay for 3 quarters?
Not sure, but
not
don't
very
know, I
much
think
money.
it was $5.50 or something like
It's
that
ridiculous,
each.
isn't it? It's outrageous.
Yeah. It's $4.60 for 2 courses and an extra
It's
pound,
amazing.
£2.
How they do it?
Well, because you know those salmon fillets you're getting for us when we come next week, they're about £5.69. So you've got 3 courses. Yeah.
I shall
Steve, you
They're,
can open
they're
that
quite
window if you
gourmet
want.
as well, aren't
But you
they?
can't do it the whole way because
Lovely.
you get like
draft.
well, it gets knocked off.
Oh yeah, so I'm looking
Oh,
forward to it.
well, I wonder
actually.
whether it changes
So
the dynamics.
the people that got off the boat before us, they broke the windscreen. Basically, apparently, there's some areas where you can get caught, and it basically broke it, and he's going to charge them £300.
Oh my god! What, today?
Well, he hasn't told me
I
yet.
think this is the weed cut.
Bloody hell.
Oh, okay.
Turn that and it cuts
So, what, is if you smash it up, are we going to share it or what?
I think we spread the cost, Stephen. Spread the cost. just bought a house. I'm basically penniless.
Yeah, but Sarah's going to get a pay rise soon, aren't you? Apparently.
Yeah, apparently.
Bloody hope so.
Well, double pay rise, aren't you? Promotion and a
Sergeant.
Oh, I don't know about promotion.
Sergeant
Sorry, Anthony,
Pugh.
what did you say?
This can't be 5 minutes.
Ideas for a month. You don't live in.
Maybe we should be
What,
much
one like
faster than this,
this?
but
No,
like
I
this.
reckon that was a swim.
Maybe you'd
Maybe,
run
but I
out.
can't see what he was going to do there. I can't see how he could have got on.
Well,
If they got something car.
maybe we've got.
yeah.
Up
Maybe in
That's
a
by the
narrow
houses,
boat,
there's
that's
a
more
Oh,
like
here it is.
House.
Here it is. Here it
Just
is.
about
Now, what did you say? I
surviving
forgot
it.
what he said. He said to just.
Oh, you popped
Oh,
it
presumably,
down
if he's
before.
there, he's going to point it out.
There he is.
Where is he?
He's probably like, where have you been, guys?
Yeah, probably.
Well, we had fishermen. We had bleeding.
Oh, yeah.
We had kayakers and a barge.
Oh, yeah, good idea. If we take a video, then we won't have to remember.
What have we got now?
Well, basically, I have to get out.
Okay.
You as
Yeah.
driver.
I've forgotten what he said. Oh, I've forgotten what he said.
Can I
but-
come and hold
I'm filming here, Daddy, but there you go.
Everyone's got the front. Excellent.
Then we've got to stop and swing it again.
Oh, I see. It's quite low, isn't it? It is quite low, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Well, he swings it right round.
So they must have that barge. I wonder how they did the barge. They must have done the barge before us. It must have been all timed, wasn't it? They must have timed it. Oh, so you have to be told how to do it.
Yeah, because I'm doing it by myself next time.
Right. Okay. So how do we moor? How do we? Oh, we have to moor.
Hopefully he's going to just.
You take it.
Okay. Well, I'll just in case I'm.
Fingers crossed.
So what's he done?
Who, David?
No, I'm just wondering what's he actually doing. Who
Right.
pushes it? He has to do it. Oh, this is stop the traffic.
Alright, that's a good start. Stop the
No.
traffic.
What happens if you cock it up?
Well,
who
you're in
gets sued?
trouble. Me, probably, Stephen, because I've hired it out. Oh, Papa G. Papa G's signed to say he's a skipper.
Oh, yeah, but presumably so did David.
No, Papa G's a skipper.
Oh, all right. Oh, well, now
I'm the
we've
hirer.
already broken that. We've already.
I'm the
screwed it.
higher Papa G's a skipper.
It
We'll
must
be
be
fine.
a nightmare legally. I presume in the end of the day, those guys must be insured in some way.
He's not. He's pretty told, isn't he?
Yeah, I know, but what I'm just saying is
It must be amusing.
if you screw up completely here and forget to open the gates and some bicyclist comes whizzing through
Oh, I see.
and crashes into the canal and kills themselves,
Yeah.
someone's going to get sued, aren't they? Well, even in this day and age, even if they scratch their little finger, you'll probably be sued for
Fingers.
£15,000-20,000.
What is this in the water? Is that blue green algae?
No, it's not. What, the green thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's moving.
I think there's some seed pod coming from.
Oh my god.
He's got a manhandle it.
Oh David, bless you, you didn't need to go for a run.
Hold it. Oh, he then. Oh, so you have to get. Oh my God. So if you don't get the speed right, you're going to get stuck in the middle.
Nah, I'll be fine, Stephen.
No, I mean you could get it stuck in the middle, couldn't you? Obviously, if you don't get it moving quick enough.
I've got Ryan's phone number.
Well. Bloody hell, you got to jump on there. How do you jump on there? On the way back. Christ, I don't see how that can work. You need two people, you need someone else on the bridge really.
Right. Happy, that's relatively okay. It's all right. Yeah.
Just take your time, think it through.
Yeah. Are you going to do it now?
I'll be going to do that.
Okay, let's do that.
Absolutely. So you can just hop back on. We've got the thread now. No, no, no,
Hey?
So what time should we get to the dock?
Well done, you two, God is fine. It's very nice at the bridge, isn't it?
It's all right, isn't it?
I can see it's a bit awkward. You got to get it moving quite quick, haven't you, to get it? So you don't want it stranded in the middle. I can see you.
Definitely.
You're really screwed then.
There's been
If you haven't got someone else on the bridge,
Yeah, or if you're on your own. I've seen
on
a
your
few
own,
times-
you can get it stuck in the middle.
That's it. Or I've seen a few times when people open the bridge, they don't run across.
Oh,
One
right.
side and then the other, but no bridge.
I think you're around, did he?
Awesome.
Right.
Have fun, guys. See you later.
Thanks,
very
Ian.
much. Thanks for your help.
I think David's finding it a bit, okay.
The responsibility of command, David, isn't it?
I got this.
Cheers.
Are you going to jump out again in a minute and shut
No,
it?
no, so
On the way
he's-
back.
So the chap's going to shut it this time.
Yeah,
On the way back, we're doing it both times.
right.
We've got to shut it on the way back.
Yeah,
We leave it open.
No, open and shut it.
no pressure. It's almost time to crack open some Cokes, guys. I reckon. Let's go wild.
Oh, we have to moor up against a hedge or something.
Right, yeah.
So he said, be back at the lock.
Yeah. That's 8 good. What, if we left the lock at 4, then we need to turn back to full side, don't we?
Yes, we need to come back at like
Which is fine.
25.
Okay. Let's do that then. Bobby, do you want to drive now?
Jim, do you want to drive?
Do you want to take over?
And you're happy if you weren't let to go. You go.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
You'll need a rest soon, David.
Does anybody else want to drive?
I'll be driving in a minute.
Next you go.
Oh, Sarah, you have a go.
Yeah, I'll have it.
You have a go. That'll give PG a bit of confidence or something, probably.
Yeah. So, honey, listen, just a moment. I'll just give you a bit.
Well, it's a busy line, isn't it?
Well, you can't have cars and cyclists going into the driving straight in.
Shut that, David.
I think that's a good idea. Perhaps, Stephen, maybe you just hold it.
All right then. I can stop the traffic if you want.
David, you might get stuck. You might get stuck.
What?
Then I gotta push.
Yeah, but how are you gonna? Well, that's not gonna make much difference, is it? It's once it gets moving, it'll be alright, won't it? This is the this could be the funny bit.
No pressure, Stephen.
No pressure. But presumably you've got to stop it before it crashes into the side, have you, or what? How does it...
I've got no idea about this bit though.
Presumably you have to tie that up, don't you? Otherwise the wind could... Oh, right, okay, there you go.
I don't think so.
Well, you have just...
I mean, Stephen, the wind's not going to blow this.
Well, yeah, but it could in theory, but
Well,
yeah,
it
but
does,
that's
if
what...
there was a small
I imagine
tornado.
that's what the